Are you new to investing and want to learn the basics? You've come to the right place.
Our channel breaks down complex investment concepts into easy-to-understand videos, perfect for beginners. From stocks and bonds to real estate and cryptocurrencies, we cover a wide range of investment options to help you grow your wealth and confidence.
Join our community and start your journey to financial freedom today.
Look for new videos each Friday. Use the weekend to study and learn. Then Monday, you'll be putting new knowledge into practice.
Welcome to Novice Investing Guide.